another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, we'll be viewing Catherine Estates. Yes, we'll be viewing the one bedroom and the studio duplex offerings at Catherine Estates in St. Catherine, right, just in the Salt Pond Road area. So if you're interested in seeing that, guys, and going on this full house tour with me, keep on watching. The first units we need to talk about are the duplex studio units. These will go from 6 million to 6.8 million Jamaican dollars. The unit size will be 280 square feet and it will sit on a lot size that will begin at 2,439.17 square feet. Now guys, I'm just doing a quick drive up, but once we get closer to the location, I will slow it down for you. So 100% financing will be offered through the NHT. All right. The only thing that you guys will have to pay for out of pocket will be the $3,500 closing cost, and that's it. 100% financing for these NHT scheme homes will be provided through the NHT. All right, so you don't have to go through any bank or anyone else. Now let's talk about the one bedroom detached units. So these are standalone units, which will go for 7 million to 7.95 million Jamaican dollars. The unit size will be 295 square feet. All right, so that's a standalone home now, and it will sit on a minimum lot size of 2,739.85 square feet. Of course, you know, you'll have larger lots, which is why they will range in prices. And now the one bedroom is standalone by yourself. Now, if you are going straight to the homes, you would make that turn, but I'm going into St. Catherine to meet a friend, Spanish Town, so that's why I turned. So you would go the other way that the arrow was pointing. Now we're back out onto this road to turn onto the Spanish Town bypass, right? So you guys should be familiar with this area. So this is where we're going to make that turn now to go onto the Spanish Town bypass. As I said, if you didn't turn off like me and follow the other road, you would still end up right back on this very same Spanish Town bypass. All right. So anyway, you take it, guys, you'll end up on the Spanish Town bypass. Now to just some clarification, because while I was on site at the open house, I realized some persons, they were confusing the duplex for a 2-bedroom. Now the duplex are the studio units, right? So what that means is that you will have essentially 2 persons' homes, 2 units joined together side by side. One half is someone's studio, and a studio is basically an all-in-one. Let's call it some Jamaican words, all-in-one. You have your bedroom, living room, dining, it's just all in one, right? And then you have a 1-bedroom unit being sold, and the 1-bedroom, oh, just a break to make this turn here. So you turn right at the stoplight here, be familiar with it, onto Salt Pond Road. Right, so the 1-bedroom now, it's a detached home, just you alone, your unit alone, right? And you have a 1-bedroom. Your bedroom is going to be separate. You have a door closed, and that your bedroom different from your living room, your kitchen, your dining, your bathroom. You have your bedroom separate, right? So when you see the house tour, you will see everything that I'm speaking about. But I know that persons were confused by that when they hear duplex. Of course, we know du, referencing to 2. It's not 2-bedroom, right? You will see the homes joined, but the home, it's going to be split for 2 homeowners, right? Even though they are joined, one half is for someone else, one half is for you, and those are studios. Studio all in one. You don't really have a living room area. You just have a bedroom, a really open bedroom that takes you into your kitchen, your living, everything all in one, and then you have a door that separates your bathroom. So in a studio, the only thing that's really separated is your bathroom, unless you now go ahead and put up different partitions, which is a possibility. So here we are. You see, it's not a far drive from Spanish Town. Now, the South Pan Road area where these Catherine estates will be built, it's basically smack in the middle of Portmore and Spanish Town. All right, guys? And to me, it's more Spanish Town than Portmore. All right, guys, so we are here. We're at Catherine Estates. So as you can see all around, so we're going to head down to the open house now to do the tours. But as you can see, these are all the same homes behind me. So let's go and check out the open house now, guys. Now, personally, I like showing an overview of the community so that you guys can get a feel. You're at home, you're watching from your TV, your cell phone. So I like showing what the community looks like as well as the exterior of the homes. So this is the exterior view of the duplex that I was telling you guys about. So as you can see, it's split right there in the middle, 2 doors. That means that this side is for someone and the other side is for someone. Tell me why I locked the door a while ago. Hey, this is my mother though. But anyways, this side now would belong to another homeowner, guys, right? So as you can see, you have 2 little lot numbers or unit numbers on these papers, different, right? So this side is you, the other side is someone else. Don't get it confused with a 2-bedroom. It's not the same. So as you can see, it has a little we call this shower lawn finishes. I can see the windows, UPVC sliding windows. These windows to me are really narrow, but boy, it's a small unit, so get small window. And guys, I will speak more about the lot size shortly. So after I finish the home tour, I go more in depth about the lot size and expansion and all of that. Right? So one side for you, one side for someone else is an exact mirror imaging. As you can see, the plumbing, electrical, all of those set up. You know, same thing on one side, same thing on the next side, all the way going around. And this just takes you right back to the driveway or the porch area, right? So that is it. So let's take a look inside now. So once you enter the studio units, you will be greeted basically by your open concept bedroom area, which will also act as your living area. You can put a small little sofa over there. And for all the persons who are in this video, I tried not to video anyone, but it's a video for video situation because I'm pretty sure I am in your videos too. So, hush. So here you can see all in one, as I was saying before. So it opens up with your kitchen right there. You have space for your bed. You have space for, you know, a small couch, a small stove. Now here you have your little kitchenette. You have some lower cabinetry, and these drawers to me, they're about 18 inches, right? The individual drawers there, and then you have a little cabinet here. You can do some little storage. This drawer on top of this cupboard is, you know, a faux. It's not real, can't open, all right? And yeah, it's a nice unit. Ceiling's not low at all, not super high either. I also really like the tiles they chose in here. It's a ceramic tiles. I love these really large tiles. I believe it was like 24 by 24 tiles, and I think they were done really well, really seamless, really nice. So this counter space to me was that I didn't have my tape measure, and honestly I didn't even have time because of how fast the viewing would be, but it's about, to me, 3 feet by like 2.5. all right, the countertop right there. And let's step into the bathroom. It's a small bathroom, and it has that, you know, L-shaped shower area, so you're gonna have to get like the curved shower rod. But I like the bathroom. I like the tile that they chose for the wall, the ceramic tile. It has a nice little marble look, and as I said, the installation was pretty seamless and really nice. So the cabinetry, as you know, it's this faux wood type of plastic, but you know, it have a wood look. And I also like the shower head. selected for this property. Really nice, sleek look. Alright, so a lot of person bashing the units, but them not bad enough. Them have a nice, seamless, sleek look. Of course, you would go in and you would put in everything that you would want to make it, to the best of your desires. So here's the floor plan. As you see a while ago, we entered right there, and then I stopped and filmed for a while in the living room area. Then I went over to the kitchen. Then I went into the bathroom, and then we exited right there while I go through that kitchen back door. So here is the lot size. And of course, you are able to expand on these lots. So basically, it's halfway. Your lot would run you from like halfway between that other person's house. So right here is the halfway line. So basically all of this is yours. You have to split it down the middle again to create like a little L right there, and it'll come out to right where I am standing. Go back over to here. So I hope you guys getting the image. So right where my hand is where your lot would actually come out to. So you have quite a few. Now over this side would be for that person. All of that is for the other person. Right where my hand is, you get all of that. Right? Remember now, it also has to be split in half because that's a duplex. Now let's take a look at the 1-bedroom unit. So from the exterior, here's your 1-bedroom unit. You have your drive-up area. You cannot expand to the front. All right, guys. You can expand to the back. Can't expand to the side either. So, but with the 1-bedroom, all of the back you can expand on, right? It won't be split like how you see the duplex a while ago. You'd have to split it. All of that back space you can expand on. So here is the living room setup for the 1-bedroom. It's an open concept living, dining, kitchen area situation. Right there where that picture frame is, you can put your TV, you can mount your TV on your wall, and you can hold a decent L sectional. Not a really large sofa though, and not a large coffee table, but it can work with. These homes are definitely for persons single, or a young couple. Not really for person with kids, if we're being ideal or in a perfect world, right? So the kitchen space is a little bit larger than the other one. You do get more space to hold like a larger stove right here, and the counter area is a bit longer. The countertop is that type of countertop where it has those speckled, sparkly looking countertop finish, right? And as you can see, these drawers are bigger because the overall thing is bigger. This is about 24 inches drawers right there. And again, the same little cabinet area with the full door right there. And then right here, you'd have space for your refrigerator, right? Now we step right out of the kitchen into the bathroom. And this bathroom, you have a larger shower area, right? I like this bathroom. Really, if you're a single person, like single, or if you're a young couple, this is like an okay bathroom size for you, right? This is an okay bathroom size. And as I said, I don't think in the first offerings the bathrooms look like this. I don't remember this type of tile, but I really like it. I like it. It's nice. It can go on. All right. And then here's your 1-bedroom. It can fit a queen size bed set, I should say, and it can fit about one chest of drawer, or if you want to force a dresser in there, and you can fit also a nightstand. You do have a closet area in here, a pretty small closet, but still workable. Nice little closet area. All right. So I tried to do a little video, but see there, it's like a closet area. Fine. You do have this little molding kind of going around the ceilings. Pretty standard, decent area. And then right outside of where that bedroom area is, you would step out into your backyard space. As I said, all this land here would be area for you to expand on, right? So all the way out here to where you see that lady in the black and white tights, that is probably about a halfway point. So you can expand all the way out there. So this is the floor plan I entered right there. This is where the LC sectional was That's where the kitchen and the refrigerator was. Then I stepped into the bathroom, and then I stepped into the bedroom, right there. And you see the closet is adjacent to that, and then I made my way outside of the unit. When do applications open? Applications open on Wednesday, May 25 at 8 a.m. on the NHT's website, right? For now, I can only link the contact information sheet, but if you would like to apply, I will post it on the community tab here on YouTube, so make sure that you're subscribed, all right? So applications open Wednesday, May 25 at 8 a.m. They will close Friday, May 27 at 7 p.m. Please try to use your best Google browser, right? So there's probably Google Chrome, and you could even check the website from maybe midnight, all right? Because the website tends to crash during those heavy traffic times, all right? And I will also, next I'll speak about everything that you guys will need to apply, because I get that question a lot. So straight from the NHT's mouth: NIS card, TIN card, government issue ID. If you're employed to a company, you need proof of contributions from past and present employers. If you're self-employed, you need to visit or contact the compliance department to ensure that you are compliant, and I will list the email address down below to ensure that you're compliant, right? So all of that, you can email them to figure out if you are compliant for self-employed persons, and you can get a compliance letter. I've done that process before, so it was a pretty quick process. Probably you could even visit them at the compliance department. It's in the Crossroad area. Don't remember exactly the location, or you could just simply email them, whichever one works out best for you guys. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up filming that whole store for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found all this information. Safe Haven. Safe Haven. Yeah. Alright, big up. So we just wrapped up the tour. Them said them watch the video, they might think big up on yourself and seeing this. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Tell me if you're interested in these homes. I'm gonna head out of here because you know St. Catherine hot. Bye guys.